A new custom-built executive home with 4 bedrooms and 4 washrooms. Welcome to 905 Dunbarton Road. Situated within Pickering's desirable Dunbarton neighbourhood, this stunning open-concept home showcases an impressive stone-front facade and superb finishes and details throughout the main level. 10-foot ceilings with pot lighting, hardwood flooring, deep crown moldings and baseboards, as well as gorgeous modern chandeliers and light fixtures. The hardwood flooring is laid on the diagonal in the elegant formal dining area, which has a coffered ceiling and an oversized picture window with front yard views. Off the main hall is a powder room beautifully appointed with a tiled floor and a vanity with a quartz counter, and the hall leads into an incredibly spacious south-facing great room. 2 oversized sliding door walkouts onto a backyard deck give this space a wall of windows that drenches it in natural light, and the room enjoys additional warmth from a gas fireplace framed by glass-paneled cabinetry. With the great room's openness to the kitchen and breakfast areas, as well as with the easy flow to the formal dining room, the main level offers exceptional indoor entertaining space that can readily spill to the outdoors during the warm weather months. Off the great room is a laundry room with a tiled floor, cabinetry storage, and access to the double-car garage, as well as access to the unspoiled lower level. With high ceilings and amazing potential for additional living space, the lower level also has its own separate entrance from the garage, giving it the opportunity to be transformed into a wonderful in-law suite. The kitchen and its breakfast area also enjoy a south-facing exposure with its warm, natural lighting, and have access to the backyard and deck from a garden door walkout. A coffered ceiling stretches across the length of these 2 spaces, and the kitchen has been beautifully finished with cabinetry that includes a chef's desk with a glass-paneled upper cabinet, a wall pantry and balance lighting, quartz counters and a tiled backsplash, brand new stainless steel stove, fridge and dishwasher, as well as a large center island with stainless steel double sink and bar seating. And there is also a butler's pantry with direct, convenient access to the formal dining room. A stained oak staircase with wrought iron railing carries to the upper level, where a large staircase window allows for natural lighting into an upper hallway additionally brightened with a chandelier and pot lighting. This level also showcases 9-foot ceilings, hardwood flooring and deep baseboards throughout, as well as crown moldings in the hallway and the master bedroom. With a linen closet conveniently placed right outside its door, the main 4-piece washroom features a beautiful glass-tiled bath and shower area, as well as a tiled floor and a vanity with quartz counter. The 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms are quite spacious, and all have large windows and double closets, while the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms share access to a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom featuring a tiled floor and glass shower area, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and double basins. A stunning personal space, the master suite showcases a vaulted ceiling above the arched window in its sitting area and is beautifully lit with gorgeous wall sconces and a chandelier. Its huge walk-in closet comes with organizers, and this bedroom is complete with a spa-like ensuite washroom showcasing a large vanity with quartz counter and double basins, exquisite vanity and pendant lighting, a freestanding tub, as well as a wood grain style tiled floor, accent wall, and glass shower area, which additionally features rain and handheld shower heads and body jets. within the catchment area of William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.